Hi, I'm Joelle Powers, the Associate Dean of the College of Health Sciences. Health Sciences is now the second largest college on campus at Boise State. We house the School of Nursing, the School of Social Work, and the School of Allied Health. In Allied Health, we have kinesiology, respiratory care, radiologic sciences, and genetic counseling. We also have the Department of Community Environmental Health, which is soon to become the Department of Public Health. A couple things that you can expect when you join the College of Health Sciences are first, one-on-one individualized academic advising. We have a team of professional advisors that are going to help you find the right major for you that's going to get you on the path to the career in healthcare that you'd like. Next, you can expect real-world, hands-on experiences. The majority of our students, for their majors, need to complete a clinical, an internship, or a field placement that's going to have them learning while working in a healthcare setting with real clients and patients. This is really going to set you up for success after you graduate. We so look forward to you coming to the College of Health Sciences, and we look forward to welcoming you.